Results. They're the reason that you do it. To maximize your ROI, increase your traffic, and see more conversions, your marketing strategy aims to achieve something positive for your business. Before we jump in, remember to download your free guide to working with a search engine marketing agency, linked in the description. What is a search engine marketing campaign? A search engine marketing campaign comprises a digital marketing strategy and channels that aim to help a business's website and content rank higher in search engines. It prioritizes well-known digital strategies like PPC and SEO. How to run a killer search engine marketing campaign. Your first step towards creating a killer search engine marketing campaign is establishing the elements of one. These elements will need to be worked on, developed, and improved. This can include your SEO, website, social media presence, paid search ads, and content. Let's break this down element by element and investigate its effects on search engine marketing campaigns. SEO. There is no search engine marketing campaign without an SEO strategy, and that is a fact. SEO is one of, if not the most crucial parts of a business's online marketing campaign and presence. SEO means optimizing your website to impact how a search engine portrays it. Then, search engines will determine where it should rank online. Search engines like Google rank your website based on various factors associated with SEO. This means that poor SEO can have a negative impact on your position on the search engine results page. It's common knowledge that the search results on the first page of Google receive a large portion of available website traffic. The first page on search results on Google tends to receive at least 71% of traffic. The first organic result in Google search has an average click-through rate of 28.5%. Paid search. Paid search, or PPC, could very well be SEO's partner in crime. The fluidity of these two search marketing strategies is unmatched, and the results are endless. Paid search involves performing detailed keyword research. This looks into the search terms used by individuals most likely to require your product or services. Bids are made on these terms using the allocated PPC budget. By bidding, you can appear in the sponsored area of search results. This most commonly is at the top of search results pages above the organic results. Paid search is used to appear on the first page of search engines instantly. Unlike SEO, PPC is known to show immediate results and begin improving traffic from day one. SEO involves some waiting around to climb in the rankings. Content. Content is king, never forget it. Many people forget about content regarding their more comprehensive strategy, but it is critical when launching a search engine marketing campaign. Content contributes to SEO in a few ways. It allows you to target a range of keywords at once. This means your website can attempt to rank for several different search terms and queries on search engine results. Amongst keyword targeting, it reinforces your commitment to other ranking factors. These include creating fresh, helpful, target audience-focused content, which is good for the Google Helpful Content update. Content can also attract better backlinks and give you a higher number of indexed pages. Social media. Social media doesn't directly affect the way that search engine marketing campaigns work. However, it would be best if you didn't entirely disregard its power. Sharing links across social media platforms has its benefits, including brand exposure, which can influence search engine marketing and SEO. Social media indirectly affects your business's search visibility and appearance in organic search. This is through social metrics and signals. A metric in this instance would be engagement in the form of content shares. These engagement metrics allow you to evaluate trust, customer loyalty, and evaluate your brand awareness, and it shows the search engines the impact of your content. Social media can contribute to securing traffic and increasing visibility. This is by elevating your presence across social media platforms and pointing users to your website. How we would set up a killer search engine marketing campaign. 1. We'd run a website audit that thoroughly dissects the current website, including SEO and PPC. You can get a free SEO audit and PPC audit from our website. 2. We would plan and execute revisions to existing SEO and PPC campaigns before brainstorming the next focus. 3. We'd use our next focus to perform keyword research for your search engine marketing campaigns, optimizing existing content and streamlining any current paid search campaigns. 4. We'd start brainstorming content that we could write and ensure that keyword research is carried out to ensure that we're targeting in-demand key terms. You can get a complete content writing strategy from Raw. Then, we'd start writing. 5. Create your PPC campaign for your new focus based on in-depth keyword and audience research. 6. Plan out the time each week to visit both your PPC and SEO strategy to evaluate and manage it. If you're looking for a search engine marketing agency to support your business, contact the team at Raw today using the link in the description below.